Alright, I am back. No filter. No filter at all. This is me. And this is actually my glasses this time. Tested glasses. So I actually have to wear this. But just as you come in, just tell me what's your name and where you're connecting from. As I was explaining before, tonight's topic is all about, is Jamaicans, or should I say, are Jamaicans celebrating or recognizing February as Black History and Reggae Month? Do we still acknowledge this month as an important part, or the celebration of Reggae and Black History Month as an important part of our scheduled activities for the year? Is it valuable to you? I would like you to know. For me, definitely. Me Jamaican to my bone. You understand? And especially when it comes on to reggae. Reggae music is something that I hold dear to my heart. So of course, me I celebrate it. As a matter of fact, I am among the Jamaicans who will say that reggae reggae deserves more than a month. You understand? For me, reggae is played whenever I feel like. Sometimes I feel like my neighbors are tired of me. But I love music. I love Jamaican music. Reggae has inspired so many people, not only local entertainers but people from all around the world. So yeah, me celebrate it. I'm glad to celebrate it. But I want to know from just beyond me, because I know the world doesn't revolve around me. Do you as a Jamaican, and if you're not a Jamaican, if you're a non-Jamaican, based on your experience wherever you are in the world, do you find that Jamaicans actually celebrate or acknowledge reggae or Black History Month? So I say and or because for me, reggae is a part of Black history. Sonia says there is nothing like what? There's nothing like reggae? Definitely. There's nothing like reggae. Eddie from Manchester, welcome. Who else is on my live? As you come in, just tell me where you're connecting from and tell me your response to this question. Do you find that Jamaicans, not only in the island, but wherever they are, Jamaican communities right across the world, do they recognize Black History Month? Do you see that they are celebrating Black History Month? Are you celebrating Black History Month? Are you celebrating Reggae Month? I can say from my perspective, I see, as I was saying in my previous live, I see what they are doing from the ministry, from the culture ministry point of view, right? With the Jamaica Day in schools, I can see them with their public events centered around reggae music and the commemoration of great events and persons, celebration of great persons in reggae. But I don't feel that rush in comparison to the Super Bowl. You understand? I don't feel that excitement where I am in Kingston, Jamaica, about reggae and Black History Month. I can tell you, I was just saying it in my previous live. Hi Selvin. Selvin was watching my previous live. I appreciate that you reconnected with me. Sonia says, I'm connecting from Round Rock, Texas. Donna Marie Fable says both should be celebrated 24/7 all year around. I agree with you, Donna. Andrea said, Wagwan, Andrea. Man, we're talking tonight about Reggae Month, Black History Month. It's the middle of the month, right? And I don't feel as if there's just this big excitement. And I don't feel it. I don't feel it at all. For myself, I recognize it, you understand? And I try to do as much as I can to educate other people about Black history and reggae. But I don't know, especially among young people, them not so hot about this, about Reggae Month. Tracy says, from Queens, New York, we celebrate Black History here in New York. Good. That's excellent, Tracy. How do you guys do that? I agree with you, Donna. Heather says, hi, beautiful. So Heather was on my previous live and she's back here. Hi, Dehana. Hi, Ashleigh-Ann. How are you? Send me some warmth. All right. Sending warmth to all my fans, all my followers. Sending you warmth. All right. So Dehana is also saying, I love dancehall. When I came to Jamaica, folks seem surprised that I love dancehall so much. I'm not a dedicated reggae person. I love Bob Marley. I'm connecting from Bowmanville, Canada, and I went to a show and dinner at the Jamaica Canadian Association to celebrate Reggae Month, right? All right, cool. The funds went to some children's home in Jamaica. That's amazing. That's encouraging. For me, I have not been to any of the ministry organized events, but in my professional space, in terms of the program schedule for the radio station where I'm working, we've completely changed it for this month so that it is more reflective of Reggae and Black History Month. We're sharing knowledge, and so, because honestly, I mean, if we don't big up our culture, if we don't make much of it, who is going to make much of it? You understand? We complain a lot about, European culture is the dominant culture, and see now with Asia, like Chinese and the Japanese investing more in the western side of the world. You see I don't want to say the invasion, but I see where their culture is also being what should I say now? Being shared, passed on, transferred in Western society. So may I say, what is wrong with the Jamaicans making a big deal with about reggae and Black history? Sonia says, I'm always celebrating reggae music. I celebrate it all year round. That is all I listen to. That's all. I don't want to say that's all I listen to, Sonia, but I listen to a lot of reggae music. Tell me, who is your favorite reggae artist? Andrea says, I'm a teacher, so that's part of my curriculum. Definitely, we are Black queens. Power to you, Andrea. Sharon, hi Sharon. I feel like this is the first time you're watching my live. Sharon says, you have organized events around the month in order to create that awareness. Some folks just don't know what to do, and that's what I don't understand, Sharon, because outside of Reggae Month and Black History Month, we have people celebrating or putting on events right through the year. In a couple weeks time, it's carnival season, right? And I'm telling you, carnival celebrations start long before the new year. People playing carnival music to get into the vibe of carnival. I can tell you, in Jamaica, you have major band launches for Carnival Jamaica. You understand? And that's just Jamaica. In other parts of the world, carnival is a big deal. You understand? So and carnival is native to, well, I don't want to, okay. So from what I know, carnival is native to Trinidad and Tobago, but over time, other islands, develop their own form of carnival. You understand? To sell to enjoy, and the Caribbean communities in different parts of the world, develop their own ideas. So what I'm trying to say, there's much being made about like carnival, and even some great festivals like the Rotterdam Sunsplash over there in the eastern side of the world. And I mean, here in Jamaica, Reggae Month celebration, Black History Month, it's not so hot, it's not so appealing. I don't hear the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Tourism sending out releases, making announcements about great tourist arrival because of Reggae or Black History Month. We'll probably hear about that next month with Buju Banton concert. But I don't get that sense of excitement about Reggae Month. Gregory says, reggae is not defined. Many different subcategories. Bob, different from Sean Paul. Interesting. Very interesting, Gregory. But my question is, why can't we celebrate all the subcategories of reggae? Dancehall is a subcategory. You understand? Why we can't celebrate it? Why we can't have a conversation about it? Why we can't have more private entities investing in the celebration of reggae? And not only reggae, Black history. By extension, Tracy says, through the church, schools, stores, Black history is big again in the US. Oh, that is excellent. That is excellent, Tracy. Sharon says, all right. Sharon says, someone has to take the lead, find volunteers, and make something happen. Here's the thing. I believe in the power of small groups of people. Here how it goes. I know many of you are part of different associations. And I think that if each association representative of the like it's a Jamaican association, so it's representative of Jamaica or Jamaicans of any sort, if you are able to organize an event just for Reggae Month, you understand, if each organization in the island and overseas can do that, can you imagine the impact that it would have on the world? Just something to think about, right? And that's in response to Gregory's comment. All right, Dwayne says, greetings and a very pleasant good evening, y'all. Big up Ash Cash. Thanks, Dwayne. I'm tuning in from Connecticut to reggae, and Black history should be celebrated all year round, and it should be incorporated in all schools' curriculum. I can tell you that they are now incorporating some of the teachings from Marcus Garvey. So Garveyism is being incorporated in the schools in Jamaica. So that is important. That's something that I love, right? Because you see, if you don't know where you're coming from or who you are, you understand, or what your culture is about, you really is like a lost to this world. You understand? Sonia says, I love reggae music. Gregory said, no reggae ambassador, no representation. I understand what you're saying, but that's a conversation that we need to have, Gregory. All right, somebody saying Ashley here. All right, Dehana says, Ashley, it's just that I reside so far from Toronto, have to journey so far to celebrate. And that's a thing. I don't think, Dehana, that we should be journeying so far, or we have to wait until a particular organization puts up something, or the government put something in place. No man, I feel as if we as Jamaicans can go ahead and organize small, just by getting our family and friends together and just do something spectacular. It don't have to be big, just something to recognize and to pass on the tradition. I can tell you, when I was a child, I'm not a child anymore. So when I was a child, I remember my father would always make an effort to take us to the countryside to see authentic celebrations or a celebration of our culture. Argument's sake, our example, whenever we're having it come around to Heroes Day, I remember he would bring me to the parts where Sam Sharp had his meetings, and so meet some of the people, talk to them, and share just oral history about that part of the culture. I can also recall my mom placing great focus in how we speak, so patois. You understand? I remember she's a lover of Louise Bennett's poems, and she would recite these poems in our presence, you understand, until it became just a part of things that we do. Even the songs, I can remember, and not only for Reggae Month or any other special, special month or time of the year that we celebrate our history. But I can recall in my household, if reggae music now play in a 1 week, something wrong. So I think it's just conscious effort, I just think that is what is missing, and that's why people will make argument like, I don't want to turn on the TV and watch what they're presenting for Black History, but in the same breath, that person who made that comment will not take up a book, do some research on the internet to find out the other part of Black history, the progressive, you understand, the things, the great creators, Black creators, the great innovators, so I'm like, where is that love, where's that passion, where's that energy for Black history, Black music, you understand, Black culture? Alright, so let me take some of your comments. Alright, so Constance is asking, why is Black History Month a thing in Jamaica? I think it's a thing in Jamaica because based on our demographic, right, majority of our people are of Afro-Jamaican ethnicity, right? So they can identify with Black culture. So I think Black history is very important to be celebrated in Jamaica. I believe Chinese culture is also important to be celebrated, Indian culture. So I don't necessarily believe that one should supersede the other, but it is important that we connect with all aspects of our heritage, and Black heritage is an important part of Jamaica's history. Sonia says, I love Barry Salmon, Desmond Decker, Alton Ellis, Barrington Levy, Bob Marley, Judy Mowatt. Clinton says, hi Clinton from England. Here we do carnival at Notting Hill, but here it is always good. Here though, is Black people do not have many chances to celebrate, but when we do it well. When you say we don't have much chances to celebrate, what do you mean by that, Clinton? Because I don't agree with that. Heather says, my favorite is Dennis Brown. Dehana says, my grandparents have told me to not try to speak Patois because I make it sound disabled. What does that mean? Azez says, hi Azez. Sadly, things are changing. It's great. Jamaica is celebrating Black History Month. Hi Kimor, I think this is the first time you're watching my live. Hi, watching you from TNT. I'm from Venezuela. So you're watching me from Trinidad and Tobago? And you're from Venezuela. Nice. And Kiomar says that I don't know if it's a woman or man. So I'll say Kiomar loves reggae music. Alright, so this is the part that I was thinking about for my live that I really wanted to do, just to test if I really know reggae music. So from now until I end my live, or just for a couple minutes, I want you to tell me your favorite song. I can't sing, by the way, but I want you to tell me your favorite reggae song. And when you tell me your favorite reggae song, I'm going to try to sing a line from that song. So throw it upon me, dash it upon me. Shibada said dash it upon me without warning. So dash it upon me and let me see if I can handle it. Tell me your favorite reggae song and I'll try to sing a line from that song. And just keep them coming. If you're non-Jamaican, you can, I'm sure you may have a favorite reggae song. So tell me your favorite reggae song. Gregory says, here in South Florida, most of the cities make provisions for cultural diversity, but if it's not superstars, we don't show up. I lie. I never know I saw them stay same way. Like, I don't want to say what I was going to say though, Gregory, but we have that. Alright, okay, I got my first song. Until the philosophy that whole one race superior than another inferior is. Alright, so our next one. So that was War. Everywhere is war. And then now Bob Marley, No Man No Cry. This one goes No Woman No Cry. Yeah, so that one. No woman no cry. Little Green Apple. Heather, I don't know that one day. Who sing that song? Who sing Little Green Apple? Alright, next one. Clinton says Rockaway. Oh my, Clinton, that is one of my favorite songs. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. Yeah, my love. Let me tell you something. Barry Sam, I'll sit down and listen to Barry's for an entire, but I know for an entire day, for an entire month. I will listen to Barry Salmon. Barry Salmon is Lovers Rock King. I don't know if he has ever been awarded as Lovers Rock King, but me, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, will give him that award. So that is those are the only songs. Paulette says, in my workplace, we have Culture Day. Trust me, Jamaica turn up every year. Alright, Dwayne says, okay, you guys can tell me this song. So Dwayne says I should sing this song. Why the lyrics not come to me? Wait down. I'm freezing. All I'm remembering is the chorus. Alright, so here I go. Redemption song. Redemption song. Songs are all I ever have. Redemption songs. Songs of freedom. Heather, you have to tell me which Dennis Brown song you want me to sing. Alright. So, Sanchez, Missing You start again. Sanchez, what is coming to my head is missing you like crazy. In these, yeah, I don't remember missing. Oh man. So money in my pocket and I just can't get no love. Money in my pocket and I need to remember that Sanchez. Tell me one of the lines out of that Sanchez song. Heather. No, it's who this? Tama. Tell me one of the lines. I can't remember how it start, man, but I know it. So yeah, do you guys have any more? Let me tell you something. I will sit down and sing reggae song for you in my croaking lizard voice all night. Sonia says, how about she's still loving me? As I go. Kenny's laughing. Look here, let me tell you, I love reggae music. I love reggae. But it seems as if you guys love a lot of reggae, lovers rock. I realize you're giving me a lot of lovers rock selection. Alright, give me another one. What is your favorite reggae song? Tell me and I'll sing a line from it. Sonia say, yes girl. And I still want to know what. Give me the line, Tama, for Missing You by Sanchez. Alright. Three Little Birds, Bob Marley. Doorsteps, singing sweet songs. This is my message to you, boo. I feel like I'm singing wrong song a while ago. Oh my, Sonia, I love that song, but I don't know if Action is a reggae song. Action by Terror Fabulous and Nadine Sutherland is a reggae song. I'm not sure. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Alright. Action, not a bergamot, sweet. Love is sweet. Hold on, wait. I forget the terror voice. Right, so come again. Action, not a bergamot, sweet. Love is the girl and broke out. I need some action, tender satisfaction. My chemistry is flowing. Can you cause a chain reaction? Hey! Alright. Dwayne say, emancipate yourself from mental. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but yes. Me can't manage that one there. Alright. Dehana says, I love Beres Hammond too. My granddad have most of his music. Now that I'm pregnant, was listening to some reggae music at my parents' home. I swear the baby started kicking to the beat. Look here, Mama tell you something. If you want your pitney to behave themselves, listen to some reggae music. Heather says, talk to you. Oh, I remember it now. Talk to you, but it's not the same. It won't be long, it won't be long, but it seems like forever. Baby, 'cause I'm missing you now. Yeah. As I say, someone loves you on. I go. Okay, so I actually don't know all the lines, but I know that JC Lodge song. Boy. I don't know no Patra song, Sanya. Why I do my song? I don't know this one. Alright, Randa, thank you. But tell me which one of the Garnet Silk you want me to sing. Sonia said, I got it. So I want to think when I'm singing voice, I can't do my thing. What I really want to emphasize, guys, we can celebrate Reggae Month in so many different ways, and I can see that you're completely enjoying the conversation. Reggae is a beautiful part of our history, our heritage, our culture. We can't give it up. You understand? We have to do something. So if you are part of an organization and you are planning a special event this month, just let me know and just put the name of the event right there. Oh my mom, I love that one, yeah. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? See, things are popped down. I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa. Look here, wonderful song. Jamaica and reggae they are brands. Exactly. Look here, you know how many people. Just this week, I was a little annoyed. When I was looking at the nominations, and for all the Canadians here, who got kind of upset with me, but I was looking at the nominations for the Juno Awards reggae recording category for this year, and man, not tell you no lie, man, I feel like them get the nominees them right, and I'm like, based on how the Juno Awards in Canada is set up, it is a possibility that you're not Jamaican, you never visit the island, and you are a reggae artist, and you get the award. And I'm like, to give somebody who is not necessarily a Jamaican, not to say that Jamaicans are the only people who can make reggae music, but man, I'm telling no lie, if you not touch yard, and you're not so used to yard, and you go win best reggae recording of the year, that kind of upset me. But anyway. As I say, sorry, she mistyped. Okay, so Abira, I believe that's that's the pronunciation. So Abira says July 15 to 29, Footsteps of Majesty tour to Ethiopia. Ooh, Abira, you have to tell me a little bit more about that. But I really want you guys, if you are planning an event this month, next month, you know, it's a Jamaican event, please let me know in the comments, you understand, and let me see how best I can promote that event. We need to capitalize and celebrate raw and rich and colorful Jamaican heritage and culture. I believe in it as a patriotic Jamaican. I just think that is so important. Dwayne says, I want to share my life. Hold on. Which song is this, Dwayne? I want to share every day and night. I want to know that there's a shoulder to lean on. I know this. I know these lines, but I don't remember which song it is, Dwayne. Me a young body, no, I'm still a learn. Thomas says, talk to you, but it's not the same as touching you. And every time you whisper my name, I wanna run to you. Tama, you need to come help me sing that song now. Alright. As I says, the name and country should be copywritten. I believe so too. People selling stuff with our name on it and the quality is poor. Not anything like Jamaica. That's so true. Okay, Abira, I will sure to check that out. Dwayne says JC Lodge. Yes, JC Lodge, sing that song. Let me go back to it. I was singing the JC Lodge song, but no, the tune come out of my head. So after the live, I don't know, another live, I'll sing it for you. But I won't be here for much longer, guys. I really enjoy engaging with you every week. You understand? And you just may not, you may never know where I'm going to pop up next, right? So as I was saying before, if it is that you're keeping an event, you're doing something special, you're a business owner and you're doing something special this month, next month, or just this year, and you want me to be a part of that specialness, just put the information in the comments and I'll be sure to reach out to you. But outside of that, guys, I encourage you, in whatever way you can, just see if you can just pass on the culture. Most of you guys are parents, grandparents, you understand, people of influence. So I encourage you all, pass on the culture to no mentees, to your children, to your nieces, to your nephews, or everybody, you understand, to your sons and daughters. It's so important. To your non-Jamaican friends who you're blind said them are Jamaican. Pass on the culture and let us see if we can enjoy this beautiful Reggae Month, Black History Month. Alright? Take good care of yourself and I will definitely be in touch with you. Oh, for the event, if it is that you are the event organizer, just let me know as well. So I see that you posted an event, Sonia. Just let me know if you are the organizer for that event. Alright, passing on the culture, but the kids can't talk the patois. What you say, Aziz? You have to go break it down for them. You understand? Broke it down for them. Alright, enjoy the rest of your evening and thanks again for watching. I will definitely reply to all of most of your comments if I'm able to. And until next time, this was an episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Bless.